Hello and welcome to Health Morph. Today, we're addressing a common yet troublesome issue that affects millions worldwide: frequent nighttime urination, also known as nocturia. If you find yourself waking up multiple times during the night to use the bathroom, you're not alone. This disruption affects your sleep quality and overall health. While modern medicine often approaches this with medications, Ayurveda, the ancient Indian system of medicine, offers natural, holistic solutions that address the root causes. Let's explore 5 effective Ayurvedic approaches to help reduce nighttime urination frequency and improve your sleep quality. Tippy number 1, balanced fluid intake and timing. According to Ayurveda, proper fluid management is essential for balancing the doshas that govern urination patterns. Morning hydration focus. Consume the majority of your daily water intake during the morning and early afternoon. Start your day with a glass of warm water, which stimulates natural elimination processes, and continue drinking at regular intervals until about 6 p.m. Evening fluid reduction. Begin tapering your fluid intake 2 to 3 hours before bedtime. Take small sips if thirsty instead of full glasses of water. Avoid diuretic beverages. In the evening, avoid caffeinated drinks, alcohol, and carbonated beverages which can increase urination frequency. Instead, opt for small amounts of warm herbal teas like cumin, coriander, and fennel tea, which support the urinary system. Tip number 2, Ayurvedic dietary modifications. Your diet significantly impacts urinary function. Make these strategic modifications to reduce nighttime urination. Reduce evening diuretics. Limit these natural diuretics in your evening meals. Watermelon, cucumber, and other water-rich fruits, asparagus, celery, and parsley. Highly spicy foods that irritate the bladder, excessively salty foods that increase thirst. Favor vata-pacifying foods. Since vata dosha governs elimination, evening meals should include warm cooked foods rather than cold, raw options. Mildly sweet, sour, and salty tastes which balance vata. Warm milk with a pinch of nutmeg, an Ayurvedic remedy that supports sleep and reduces urinary frequency. Beneficial foods for urinary health include these Ayurvedic supportive foods: ash gourd, winter melon, pomegranate, dates, and figs. Small amounts of ghee, clarified butter. A light, warm dinner consumed at least 3 hours before bedtime supports better urinary health during sleep hours. Tip number 3, powerful Ayurvedic herbs. Ayurveda offers specific herbs that strengthen the urinary system and reduce frequent urination. Gokshura, Tribulus terrestris, known as nature's bladder tonic, Gokshura, strengthens the urinary tract tissues, acts as a gentle daytime diuretic while supporting nighttime urinary retention, soothes the urinary passage, reducing irritation, particularly helps those with prostate enlargement. Take 1/2 teaspoon of Gokshura powder with warm water twice daily, with the second dose at least 3 hours before bedtime. Chandra Prabha Vati. This classical formulation strengthens bladder muscles, reduces urinary frequency and urgency, supports kidney function. Punarnava, Borhavia diffusa. This herb balances kapha dosha, which governs fluid balance, supports healthy kidney filtration, reduces nighttime fluid accumulation. Simple Ayurvedic tea blend. A beneficial tea includes 1 part coriander seeds, 1 part cumin seeds, 1 part fennel seeds. Simmer 1 teaspoon in a cup of water for 5 to 10 minutes and drink in mid-afternoon. When using herbs, start with small amounts and consult with a healthcare provider, especially if taking medications. Tip number 4, Ayurvedic lifestyle practices and yoga. Specific practices and yoga postures can strengthen the urinary system and improve pelvic health. Abhyanga, self-massage. Use warm sesame oil or coconut oil. Focus on the lower abdomen and lower back with gentle circular motions. Practice for 5 to 10 minutes before showering. This strengthens tissues and pacifies Vata dosha. Beneficial yoga postures. 1. Mula Bandha, root lock. Contract the pelvic floor muscles to strengthen the urogenital region or practice for a few minutes daily. 2. Supta Baddha Konasana, reclining bound angle pose. Improves circulation to the pelvic region. Hold for 3 to 5 minutes with deep breathing. 3. Viparita Karani, legs up the wall pose. Regulates fluid balance in the body. Practice for 5 to 10 minutes before bedtime. Establish regular elimination patterns. Urinate at consistent times throughout the day. Completely empty the bladder each time. Practice scheduled voiding by urinating every 2 to 3 hours during daytime. Never suppress daytime urges. 5. Mind-body techniques. Ayurveda recognizes the connection between mind and physical functions, including urination patterns, effective breathwork, pranayama. 1. Nadi Shohana, alternate nostril breathing. Calms the autonomic nervous system. Practice for 5 minutes before bedtime. 2. Sitali breath, cooling breath. Helps if excess heat contributes to urinary irritation. Curl the tongue. Inhale through it, exhale through the nose. Practice 10 rounds in the afternoon. Meditation for bladder control. Body scanning meditation focusing on the bladder area. Set positive intentions for reduced nighttime awakening. Use affirmations like, "My bladder is strong and calm throughout the night." Urge management techniques. When awakened by a mild urge, observe the sensation without immediately responding. Breathe deeply into the lower abdomen. Determine if the urge necessitates getting up or will subside. If you must get up, maintain a meditative state with minimal lighting. Conclusion: these 5 Ayurvedic approaches offer a holistic way to address frequent nighttime urination. Remember to implement changes gradually, starting with the strategies that resonate most with you. While these natural approaches can be effective, persistent urinary issues warrant medical attention. Consider these Ayurvedic practices as complementary to appropriate medical care. We'd love to hear about your experiences with these techniques. Share your journey in the comments below and subscribe to Health Morph for more videos on natural approaches to common health challenges.